Today we're going to take a look at the TnT Titan Kit, a modular test and print kit with Bluetooth connectivity. The TnT Titan Kit comes complete with a TnT Titan portable appliance tester, thermal transfer tag printer, scanner and tablet, all contained in a transit case that makes travelling from site to site a breeze. The TnT Titan DT kit is more compact and it features a direct thermal printer and fits in a Wavecom carry bag. Designed and made in Australia to make AS/NZS 3760 testing quick and easy, our TnT Titan kit has been designed for use with WinPats Pro, our portable appliance testing Android app. These kits are great for anyone doing high volume test and tag work. The TnT Titan includes preset test procedures for Class 1, earth bond and insulation at 250 or 500 volts, Class 2, insulation at 250 or 500 volts, extension leads and power boards, earth bond, insulation, polarity and continuity, earth leakage tests, and trip time and ramp current tests for testing both portable and fixed RCDs. It also includes a meter mode for measuring current, voltage and power of an appliance, and a mains power supply test. You control the tester directly from the tablet with WinPats Pro via Bluetooth. WinPats really takes the TnT Titan kit to the next level. You can run tests, save your results to a database with unique asset IDs, generate and print tags, create reports and more. To run a test, you add a new item to your database and select the appropriate test. Connect your test leads, and then run your test. The TnT Titan will send the results to your tablet. You can then save your results to your WinPats Pro database and print a tag. Both tag printers connect via Bluetooth and are battery powered, so you can move them around your job site as you need. Your tags include all the relevant information you might need, including who tested the appliance, when it is due for retesting, and most importantly a barcode. This makes retesting really quick and easy. Just scan the barcode using the included barcode scanner and WinPats will find the item in your database. You can then review all your stored information about the item and retest it at the tap of a button. WinPats really makes your test and tag work quick and easy. Plus there are loads more features that help you run your entire appliance testing business. To learn more about WinPats, you can visit www.winpats.app. The TnT Titan features an internal lithium-ion battery. You can conduct Class 1, Class 2 and extension lead tests on battery power and print your tags as well. You can test up to 3,000 items per charge, plus you can charge it in only 4 hours and then get straight back to work. Of course, you can use the TnT Titan on mains power for all tests as well. The TnT Titan kit also features our latest RCD isolation design, meaning you won't need external isolation transformers to test portable RCDs. The TnT Titan DT kit features our new direct thermal printer with Bluetooth connectivity and battery power. Lightweight and wearable, it features a belt clip so you can print tags hands-free. If you're testing indoors, in settings where your tags don't need to stand up to harsh conditions, the TnT Titan DT kit offers unbeatable convenience. The TnT Titan DT kit fits in our Wavecom carry bag along with your tablet, barcode scanner and testing accessories, making it really easy to pack up and move around site. The TnT Titan kit features our thermal transfer printer with Bluetooth connectivity and a lithium-ion battery. Capable of printing up to 3,000 tags per charge, this printer produces durable tags that will last. If you're testing outdoors or in industrial settings, the TnT Titan kit is ideal for your needs. The TnT Titan kit is contained in a heavy-duty transit case with IP67 dust and water ingress protection. It features a telescoping trolley handle and wheels to make getting around easy and keeps your tester, printer and tablet safe and sound. When choosing between our latest generation test and print kits, the TnT Titan kit offers more flexibility with your testing. The TNP Prime tester and printer are built into the case, while the TnT Titan and the printer can be removed from the case. So if you're working in tight spaces, the TnT Titan kit is definitely going to be more convenient for you. Our TnT Titan kits are both available in 10 amp and 20 amp versions and come with test leads, a power lead, a roll of test tags and a 12-month calibration certificate. Plus, with a 3-year conditional warranty, a range of training tutorials and guides, and ongoing customer support from me and the rest of our sales and support team. Our TnT Titan kits are an excellent modular appliance testing kit, ideal for anyone conducting high volume testing. To learn more about our range of portable appliance testers and software solutions, visit our website www.wavecom.com.au.